Go Raksha. You should give all protection to this important animal. Krishna does not say that you should protect the pigs and hogs or other animals. He especially meant the cows.
This Govardhan Puja, we follow that principle because we are devotees of Krishna, we are trying to follow his instruction. Noon time, we shall perform this puja and you are invited to take prasadam and we will kindly participate.
Hare Krishna. So this is Halwa or Govardhan. So we are going now in the village of the Barsana to distribute to the people of Braj. Hare Bol.
Govinda Jaya Jaya Gopal Jaya Jaya Radha Ramana Hari